Hi, I'm Steve Jones, and I'm going to look at the problem of who were the first people to use mathematics. Well, first of all, we have to decide what mathematics is, and if counting is mathematics, and if drawing is mathematics, then who were the first people to count? Who were the first people to draw? Well, the answer is the ancients. But they couldn't write anything down because they had nothing to write on or with, so we have no evidence of that. So really, the first people to use mathematics, we certainly will not have any evidence from them. Or do we define mathematics? Are they the first people to actually do some kind of calculating, some kind of working with numbers, like the Egyptians, like the Greeks, the Babylonians, like the Aztecs? Is that mathematics too? So if it is mathematics, then we could say, well, if you think about the straight line, in South America we have lots of desert straight lines where we have amazing long distances, long lines going in all directions, and obviously done in some kind of mathematical way, and many thousands of years ago. So obviously they were some of the first people to use this calculator mathematics. Most importantly is formal mathematics was often used in subjects like astronomy. And astronomy was related to life because the sun and the moon and the stars were thought to be something that determined your life. So people were very interested in how they moved. And therefore mathematics and the first mathematicians were usually those people who were studying the stars. And those weren't people in the recent past, those were people in the ancient past. So the answer to the question for me is, well, there were a lot of people, we don't know about most of them, but they were studying the stars and they were building wonderful things like Stonehenge, and yet we know nothing about them, but these were the first mathematicians.